All right, all right. What's up? You bought one more 50K? Let's go, dude. Thank you. Thanks, Bib. Let's go. Yeah, man, I've been waiting on it to take out this wick right here and see what it wants to do after that, but it has just this is the 15-minute time frame and it's just been bouncing around here. Came up, looked like it was just going to go take it out. Came back down, kind of bounced off of this level down here, and now it looks like it might finally go take it out. And then we can see what it wants to do from there. I don't know. It may want to keep going higher. May want to come all the way and take out one of these levels. Previous day high right there. Might be in play. We will see. We will see. But it might just take out this, drop all the way back down, take out this Asia low. So that's what I'm waiting here. But finally going up. It's finally doing the thing here. Finally. Get the VWAP down here. About to take out this level. Oh, man. You taking any trades yet this morning, Bib? You taking any trades yet? Man. None, yeah. I took one little small scalp, really tiny, but I'm up like, yeah, it was too slow. I'm up like 36 bucks, barely moving. I moved my stop into profit, and then it came right back. Just too slow right now. I don't know, dude. We'll see what happens here. Did it take that level out yet? Not yet. Dude, it's so slow, man. Oh, yeah. I see it up there. All right, finally. Finally took that level. Been waiting on. Now let's see if it drops down. Drops down from here or not. I'm gonna go get something to drink real fast. I'll be right back. This thing may drop from here. It took out that I'd say that kind of buy side liquidity over here. It can either drop or continue up to the previous day high, I would think. So from here, either drop or continue on up. We'll see. Try to catch a trade, but it's moving kind of slow right now, so hopefully it picks up. I'm going to get something to drink though. Be right back. All right, all right. We're back. We are back. Yeah, so let's see here. I think I'm going to be maybe looking for a short. I mean, I like the short better. I can see it continuing up, but I would rather kind of take a short back down to somewhere in this area here. I would rather. I mean, we're above the Asian high. So yeah. I'd rather it come back down. But we'll see if it continues up. See, I'd like for it to come back and at least tap into one of these gaps here, this 30-minute fair value gap right here. We'll see. Got kind of like some equal lows right here, it looks like. Bang, bang. Previous day high. It's marking it like 23, like 23,553 or somewhere around there. Oh, yeah. It's wrong. It's wrong. Dang, dude. Let me see. Let me see where it actually is. It's actually right here is the previous day high. So yeah, that's wrong. But I still do like that spot. Let me turn that off. Yeah. Yep. I still do like this up here though, so I'm still gonna mark it out. It could kind of sweep that. Is that equal highs up there? I mean, pretty close to equal highs. Bang, bang. We'll see. But yeah, previous day high right there. And it could just come sweep this previous day high, tapping into like this gap here, and then reject. But I mean, this is the 30-minute time frame, so that'd probably be in like New York session or something. But it's starting to come down after sweeping this area here. I really would like some shorts. I might play something here in a minute. I might play a short. Or get close and then dump. Yeah, it could. It could come up, kind of sweep this, make everybody think it's going up for this, and then dump. Yes, sir. Patiently. Always gotta stay patient. What's up, Laura? How's it going? Yeah, just waiting here to see something. Just waiting. Broke out of this. Even though it took out that high, this candle came down, retested this resistance zone, turned it into a support, and now it's going up still. I'd like to see it kind of start dropping down here, close below here. And that could take like some shorts down to this 30-minute gap over here. I don't even need that much, but I feel like that'd be kind of a good target. Let's see. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Also, inside of this gap here, there's a fair value gap right here. So just broke these highs, and inside of this fair value gap over here on the 30-minute time frame. Man, I could really see it kind of start to reject here. We'll see, though. It could just slice right through it. If it wants to. All right, dude. I'm going to try a short here. I'm going to try a short. Taking it out there. Made a little bit. I probably should have held it, but I just wanted it to go. Little scalp there. I think this thing's about to drop. Little inversion right there. If it'll pop back up right here, I'll get back in. Let's see. It's not going to. It's going to come right on down now. Dang it. I should have just stayed in, dude. Moved my stop too early. I saw that pop down. I moved the stop, and now it's coming down. Oh, well. Oh, well. See if this thing starts to dump it down here now. Or what? Could really see it kind of start to run all this. Kind of run all this stuff right here. Down. Man, that was a good entry. I should have stayed in it, dude. Dang it. That'd been full TP right there. I don't like it now, though, because it already took this out, but I do think it's going to keep going down. I do think so. Took out that high I was watching, tapped into this 30-minute fair value gap, and now starting to bounce down here. It could come down here and come back to this 30-minute gap down here. Kind of got like equal lows right there. Boom, boom. Doesn't have to, but we'll see. But it did just take out this low right here. Up $78 on the day. Try to keep this. I don't even know what my consistency's at, dude. I know I've got to be close. I mean, I could just stop right here for the day, probably make this one of my $50 days. Might even do that. I'm not really feeling today's price action. It's moving kind of slow. And then out of nowhere, you'll get this. It's moving kind of slow. And then out of nowhere, you get a move like this. Luckily, we caught that a little bit. It just wicked me out in profit. But that would have been TP. I think I got in at like 49 and then went down to. I would have been out of that. But I don't really like how it's moving right now. You just get these kind of chops and then a pop. Chop, 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 pop. And then pop back down. I don't know. And you know, every day is going to be different. You may be reading this perfectly like a book, but me, I don't really like it right now. And in the past 2 weeks, I've been loving it, man. I just see it and I take it and it works out. But today I'm not really feeling it. So I may just call it here. I'm not call it. I'm still going to stay on the stream, but I may not take another trade. But I do like this to come lower, I think. At least down to this 30-minute, because let's take a look at the 30-minute here. Like, look at how wicky these 30-minute candles are right here. Wicky, 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 wicky. And then I think it's been waiting to you know, take this high out right here. And I think it just took it out. I mean, it did just take it out and tapped into this fair value gap. And I want to think it wants to, you know, come down now to this 30-minute. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that there. Right here. I liked the inversion too. I got in this trade before the inversion even happened. So I was happy about that. But yeah, let's mark out that BPR. All right, so there's that BPR right there, that blue box. It's the BPR, and let's see if it wants to come up here, kind of rebalance, and then drop down from there. Need to break 398 for some real downside. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's way down there. That would have actually been my target for the shorts. 398 down here. But yeah, it could keep going lower than that for sure. I see. Dude, this is moving like snail water. I don't like this. Puts me to sleep, man. Puts me to sleep. Yeah. I think it looks good for the shorts too. I just don't like slow markets, but I do think it looks good for the shorts. But like I hate when we're in this like slow, choppy grind up, and then a short setup will look so good, and then they'll just chop and grind back up. But hopefully that's not the case here. Hopefully that's not the case. I know it, dude. I saw that. I saw. I was happy it did it, but I was like, of course, right when I get off, it would do that. Yeah. Starting to come down here. And I do think it's just gonna keep coming down. $7.29 will tell us. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 7.26 right now. Got the VWAP down there. Short will look good to kind of come back down closer to this VWAP. Yeah. Starting to come down. Oh, really started to come down. Dang it, man. I was in. I was in this thing from 49. I would have had my, if I would have waited on the next candle, I would have had my 10 points. Dadgummit. Gold is ripping. Let's see. Let's see. Man, there's a dude. It's dumping. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang. Right in there. Just gotta hold it, man. Just gotta hold it. Just gotta hold it. It's about to go take out this low. Nice. New 30-minute candle. Mm-mm. Coming down, coming down. Man, dang it. Let's see if it comes down to this gap here. This is kind of like the first spot. And then this kind of equal lows down here. 30-minute fair value gap would be the next spot down here. What's up, Void? What's going on, dude? Yeah, it's something with your settings, dude. You gotta fix it. Something in your settings. Dumping off a cliff. Off the cliff here, boys. It's off the cliff. Oh, yeah. Look at this 15-minute and a 30-minute right here. Came up, took out that wick, and now it's coming back down. I think it's going to come down at least to this gap right here. Tap the gap. Tell them tap the gap. Let's see, man. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. I don't believe it yet. I think it's gonna still come back down. I think it's still gonna come back down. I mean, it's got these equal lows down here and the fair value gap. But it's ripping back up pretty hard here. I might try a short here in a minute. Maybe. I'm not gonna get in the way of this train though. Not gonna get in the way of this train. It's a V shape, dude. Thing is V shaping. Let's see if it's fair value gap. Inversion somewhere. Got this 5-minute here, but it just started. It's ripping back up. That 400 might be support, biblical. 3. Because it ripped up off of that. Man, dude. It's this, like, for past month, I feel like it's just been messing with ICT traders, dude. Everybody that trade ICT thought it was going to come down here to the equal lows, 30-minute fair value gap, and man, yeah, I see, but it's just kind of like in the middle here. I don't see where it bounced. It's just kind of in the middle. Like it didn't bounce off of this. Only thing I see is like maybe this little area here. Yeah, but it bounced like in the middle. I usually look for it to like bounce off the near the tops or something. You know, like this right here. Broke out, came down, bounced off the top. Yeah, I think this thing's about to come back down, honestly. Come ripping right back down. Let's see. Take a look at the 1 hour here. Let me see what's going on. See what's going on. Dude, I wonder if this thing's just gonna work its way back up here today. Just, something like this. Just do 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 do. Mm, 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 mm. It's back to moving like this here. Look at that pop. Look at that pop. Things going up. Things going up. Like you see, this one I'm talking about, dude. Just little bear flag, chop, 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 and then boom, out of nowhere, pops up for like, what is it, 10 points or 12 points? Out of nowhere, just a 12-point pop. That's scary, dude. That's scary. It didn't look that big because I was zoomed out, but that was a 12-point just pop out of nowhere right there. 13 points. Yeah, we'll see how it reacts in here. Let's take a look here. Down on this 1 minute coming up. All right, it's tapping in there. It's tapping in there. Dude, I want to make my gaps look cool. I see all of y'all have these dang cool looking gaps here. I'm gonna make my borders look cool and stuff, man. Let me see here. Make the border blue. Um, it's reacting off of there, biblical. It's reacting there. Yeah, biblical's got the yellow dash lines on his, man. Looks cool. I don't know. I just don't think I don't like the dash. I don't know. I thought I would like it. It's so far it's bouncing out of that BPR. Bouncing out of there. See if it continues down or what. Boy, back in here. Maybe he can hear now. Hopefully. Hopefully. Man, dude. All right. Turning back around here. Rolling over. Nice, dude. Heck yeah, man. It's coming down now. I'm gonna get in one here. See what happens. See if we can dump it off here. All right, I'll put that there now. Well, I was going to, and I'm out. $10 on that. Didn't go. Probably about to though. Got an inversion right here. Tapped from that BPR. And inversion. I think it's going to come down here now to this 30-minute gap. About to have another huge payout, dude. Another huge payout coming. A few more days, man. Couple more days, and that's like another 25,000 right there, man. Crazy. Crazy. And you know, I think I'm pretty much at consistency already. I've had 3 days of about 200, and then today's 85. Tomorrow, try to make 100 to 200, and then I can just like flip for 3 days. Yeah. I don't see that as a big accomplishment, biblical. Like, I could keep these PAs for 2 years if I traded one micro, but like, is he taking payouts? That's the like, I don't care how long I keep a PA. I care about how many payouts I'm getting. Oh yeah, I saw that, man. Yeah, Nutty does. I think I don't know how many payouts he's gotten, but and like if you're on a PA for 2 years, like you probably took in some money, but you haven't like really milked it because in 2 years they would have either you know banned you because they don't or try to move you to live. I don't know how it really works, but yeah, I saw that. That sucks though. Well, I don't know. There's like nobody reported yet. They ask you if you want to. Apparently, they ask you if you want to go live or if you just want to withdraw the money. But everybody withdraws the money, so I don't know. Like even the people who withdraw the money say that they got an email asking if they want to get moved to live or withdraw the money. But everybody withdraws it. So maybe this is what I'm thinking happens. This is what I'm thinking happens. And there it goes, dump it down. I think the people ask if they want to get moved to live. And then they tell them, well, our live isn't set up yet, so your money will be on hold until we get it set up. So then everybody just says, well, I'll actually just take the money. That's what I think happens. Hamdan, can you hear me? Can Hamdan hear me? He's in here. Let me make a little poll. I'm about to hop off of here, but actually, I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'm not even gonna worry. I'm not muted or anything. All right, guys, I'm about to hop off of here. About to hop off of here and make some try to make a little some education video or something before work. If you If you're around during New York session, hang out in the Discord. Let's chat it up. I'll be in there. All right, guys. I'm out of here. See ya.